Good evening, guys. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So, Nifty in 5 minutes chart, we opened gap up and there was a very good sell off. And again, market tried to recover and we have seen some consolidation. As we discussed in yesterday's analysis, market has to consolidate. And most of the time, we have seen the market was consolidating only and it has not touched our resistance level. But at the end, we have seen it tried to break our support level. Still, it has not broken the support, so market closed with 46 points negative. Whereas Bank Nifty also opened positive only. So off of the day, the market was consolidating only, and at the closing session, we have seen a very good sell-off in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty closed with 337 points negative. So let's begin open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player plan. We'll follow by FII. In options input, they were holding 3 lakhs of put buying contract. Today they have unwinded 17,000 contracts, so they have 2.99 lakhs of put buying, and in call they were having 2.63 lakhs of call buying contract. Now they have unwinded 56,000 contracts, so they have 2.07 lakhs of call buying. Put buying is more than call buying, we can consider this as negative in options. Future index 46% long, 54% short. It means they have reduced the long, increased the short by 8 percentage. And stock future percentage 54% long, 46% short. And in cash flow we have seen they have sold for 71 crores. FII view is slight negative because F&O they are turning into a bearish positions, and we have seen slight sell off in cash market. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 3.38 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have added 38,000 contracts, so they have 3.76 lakhs of put writing. And in call they were holding 87,000 contract of call writing. They have unwinded this and made a fresh call buying of 470 contract. They are super bullish in options. In future index 50% long, 50% short. They have increased the long, reduced the short by 2 percentage. Stock future percentage 85% long, 15% short, and they have sold for 288 crores in the cash market. So see, client view is positive only. Promoters input, they were holding 77,000 of put writing contract. They have unwinded 60,000 contract, still holding 17,000 of put writing contract. And in call they were holding 1.75 lakhs of call writing contract. They have increased 32,000 contracts, so they have 2.08 lakhs of call writing contracts. So they have negative positions in options. Future index 54% long, 46% short, no changes. Stock future percentage 65% long, 35% short, and they have purchased for 241 crores in the cash market. So see, this is neutral in futures, they are negative in options, they are purchasing in cash market. So they are hedging their positions. DI have sold for 488 crores in the cash market, so cash flow was 370 crores positive value. Put call ratio for this week, Nifty is at 0.69 and for month end they are at 1.37. It means, so for coming week it is neutral and for month end it is super bullish. A good buying can be seen in coming days as per the put call ratio for this week. Bank Nifty is at 0.64 and per month end it is at 1.11. Bank Nifty for this week is neutral and for month end it is super bullish. Now let's check the change in OI Nifty for coming week. Expiry, what people carry forwarding, short straddle of 18,500 and a good call rating we have seen at 18,600. So major support resistance comes around 18,500 only. So for this week we can see a huge call writing, but we don't have powerful put writing. Now let's check Bank Nifty for coming week expiry. So people have short straddle but more of call writing, carry forwarding of 44,000. So 44,000 will act as major resistance and it is next to impossible, we can say. It is not going to break 44,000 as per the change in OI. Even the put writers are there, but double the quantities call writers are sitting here. Now we'll check the price action. Dow in 1 day time frame, see they're trading positive by 24 points, whereas Nasdaq in 1 day time frame they are also trading by 50 points positive. SGX trading positive by 23 points, and India VIX has crashed 3%. They're at 11.59. We'll consider 12. So it is very much comfortable. So Nifty in longer time frame, 1 day chart pattern, we can see a negative candle it has formed. It is like a Marubozu candle. So it is a super bearish candle only, we will consider this. If we don't have this wick, the shadow part to this candle, it is a purely Marubozu. Now it is not purely a Marubozu. Still this formation is a negative formation only. So as per the price action, the market is negative now. But still we have a trend line support from top to bottom. So we have to see do it is going to retrace from this level or we are going to see a more fall. So same with the bank nifty in longer time frame, it was consolidating and tried to break the highs, and now from two consecutive days we have seen a very good sell off and it has formed a red Marubozu kind of a candle. So it is also indicating a negative indication only. So as per the price action, both Nifty and Bank Nifty are negative. So mark the algo points. Nifty first support comes around 18,442 and first resistance comes around 18,557. Bank Nifty first support comes around 43,604. Resistance comes around 44,078. So see, as per the open interest analysis, there is a slight negativity. We will not think of buying until we get a confirmation from open interest analysis or a price action, everything showing a negative. So what we can do whenever the market trying to retrace and going high, we can think of sell on rise. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.